Yeah, today I got some real life scenario, and so that is the reason I want to share something with you. So the real life scenario is like if there is a company and in the company there are a lot of opportunity has been created. A lot of opportunity means you are getting leads. So if you're getting leads, so you need to convert that lead, or like some if like suppose there is a MNC company and you have getting like multiple 100 to 200 leads. So you need to know that which user or which salesman has created that lead, and what is the purpose of that lead, right? So if he's changing the stage of that lead, so I'll show you one thing. So if you, so this is the opportunity here. So you can do it in your own log, and I can just open one opportunities. So in this there is a stage, right? So now what the concept I need to deal with, so if the stage get changed, is this is the prospecting. If it is qualification, if it's a value prospection, so if it get changed, the record will automatically get created in the opportunity history. So this is the opportunity history object, this is the custom object, so I have created. So I'll show you the opportunity history object. So what is there inside it? So it's nothing, just a custom object. So opportunity, here we go. So I have just created to show you the example. So if you go here, and this is like I haven't created any field yet, but this is the opportunity custom object. So it has a master detail relationship with the object, and if you are going to create, so I'll create one field which is a pick list, and this is the, this I'll create, and pick list value. So it has all that stages that we are going to change. So I'll name it stage change, and this is the global pick list. It will take the value from the opportunity. So field name and next. Okay. Oh yeah. So we have to give the stage of this particular field. So we have to give the names. So we'll go to the opportunity here, and here we go, and we'll open the object, and in object we have to find the stage. In stage we'll find all the stages of that particular pick list. So I'll copy those stages, and I have copied, and now I'll paste it here. uh, all right, so I'm done with it. So next step is, so this is almost created, so I'll make it visible for all. So what our purpose is, when the stage will change, automatically the record will be created in the opportunity history. When the record is created, we should get to know what stage we have made. So this is the main purpose of our work. So when any salesman or anyone who is changing the stage, like if there is improvement in that particular opportunity, so if he's changing that, so you will get to know, okay, so this has been changed. So okay, so here we can't see the opportunity history, right? This is because I haven't allowed it from the tab. So I'll okay, so I have to customize the tab first, so yeah, so that I can show you what is the. So to see the opportunity history, you have to go to the tab settings. So you have to go to setup first. Now you have to go to, you have to type tab here. So in tab, so we'll go and click on new button. In new button, you will see the opportunity history, and here you have to select a tab style. So whatever the tab style you want. So I'll check out this, and here we go. Just click on the next button. So now you will apply a different visibility and it's okay. On the profile. Here we go. So click on next here. No need to do anything else here. So you will able to see the opportunity history. And yeah, here we go. So here you can see the opportunity history, and if you click on new button, So there is three things that we came across as opportunities, opportunity history name, and the stage change. Stage change is needed because you want to know at what stage your user has changed the scenario. Like we want the record to be automatically updated on the opportunity history when the opportunity stage gets changed. That is the scenario. So there are three ways to do this thing. One is the workflow, one is the process builder, second is the third is the trigger. So trigger is like if you don't have time and you want to like eventually in the coding purpose, I'll say trigger is like bit complicated and you need not to go for the first place. If you want to go for you should go for the process builder, because in Salesforce they are promoting process builder rather than the workflow. And trigger are usually mostly used for the complicated things, like for the process builder or workflow we want to integrate in the multiple stages. So for that particular thing you can use trigger, but I suggest you to use the process builder. So we'll go for so I'll create one process builder so that you can create like with the change of the stage the opportunity history will be created. So within a 5 minutes I'll create this, and you will see that you will find an opportunity history to be created with the change of the stage. So this is the prospecting stage. Okay, fine. So we'll go to the okay, so I'll do it in lightning. So I'll switch to the lightning, and okay, here we go. So and lightning. So okay, so you can able to see the all the objects, right? So this is the opportunity. So in related you will see the opportunity history. So there is no record right now. So you have to click on the setup, and in the setup you have to go to process builder. So you have to type here process builder, process builder, process builder. So this is the process builder. So I think many of you are familiar with the process builder, how it works. So I'll create one process builder in front of you. So okay. So you can give any name to the process. So I'll give it record creation. Record creation, record creation. So this is the API name, and description I'll give create the record in opportunity history with the change of stage in opportunity, so that if any developer will create multiple process builders, so he or she will get to know what the purpose of the particular process builder which is active, because many times we have multiple objects and multiple process builders, so they must know like what they are doing and what is the process builder they are activating. If like sometimes there is the override of process builder, so if somebody want to change something in the particular field in the opportunity history, so they need to see what are the process builders or what are the triggers are working on that particular object. So this is the way you have to write a description. So we'll go further. So save it, and now you have to write the object name. So the object name will be the opportunity, of course. So we are working on the opportunity, right? So opportunity. So here we go. Yeah. So our opportunity name is opportunity. So there are many opportunities name because I'm using my personal log. So when the record is created or deleted, so opportunity is already created, right? I don't want to click on save, and I don't need to create. So whenever I edit the record, so it should be updated. The record should be created. So all right. So this is the advanced. Allow the process to evaluate the record multiple times in a single save option. So we'll whenever we edit in the opportunity any stage, it will be getting created. So for that purpose we have to click on OK. Now we have to add the criteria. Yeah. So what is criteria? For the criteria name, so create record, create record. So criteria you can either give the sorry, either give the condition or give the formula. So I prefer formula. If you know, so like it's a pick list, right? So you want to change the pick list so that the record will be created. So this is how you have to think logically. So if you like condition also we can give, we can list the multiple pick list values So I have to make almost 8 to 9 conditions. So I don't want to make it. I don't want to make it complicated. So I want to make it very simple with the formula. So will write is changed. Okay. So is changed. So we have to put a bracket, and in bracket we will put the formula here. So which object opportunities, right? So what is the field name? Stages. Stage. Okay. So there we go. So this is the stage API along with opportunities API. So now advanced option. Yes, we want to execute the action only when the specific changes are made to record. All right. So we'll click on OK. So immediate action. So what action you want? So already we have created the record. We have created the formula. So what action you want to create the record? All right. So create the record, and now action name. What action you want? You want to create a record. Record creation. You can give any name suits you. Record creation. Record type. What type of record type you are using? And here we go. And see, what is record type in the object that we have created, opportunity history. There are three type of fields we see. Okay, so in this we have to first go to the particular object, and in that we have to select all the three, or if you want only like if there are 24, 25, or many fields are there, you want to select a particular fields that you want to change, so you can change that field. Okay, you need not to select multiple field. If you have, so whatever the field you have, you can select that. So opportunity ID, opportunity history name, and I'll check with stage also. Change stage, stage, change stage. Okay, so pick a list value. So this is the three stages I have chose. So now you have to select the type. So here you have to select the field reference, formula, field reference. In here, you have to choose the opportunity his ID. Okay. Okay. So wait. Opportunity ID. ID must be there. ID created by opportunities. Formula ID created by last modified. Record ID. Why the ID is not coming? ID should come. Record ID. Here, opportunity name. Opportunity. Wait, I need to see the opportunities object. Opportunities name. Okay, so here is the vector opportunities name. And what about ID? So here, from here you can see what is the name. Sometimes we don't see the name, and this is the created by. Okay, label. Okay, so here we go again. Opportunities name, right? Opportunities name, and here is the stage. Stage. Okay, so ID, which ID we have used? Create by user. I think. So, user. Where ID? Let's see. So, and eventually, if it is a custom, so you can see the ID object here, and that's it. Like it will work, I think, 100%. So we'll go further and activate it. So, okay. So we have activated it. So we'll create the object. So we'll create, we'll change it. Let's see if it works. So, and we'll go to the opportunities. So this is the opportunity. So we'll try to change the stage. So we'll change the stage to qualification and save it. Save it. Save the go action. Give you a field integration exception. Incorrect. Okay. So ID is SOP ID is wrong, right? So we have to deal with that because we have already written the trigger. Okay, fine, it's showing error. So we'll go to the opportunity once again. And here, okay, so we'll pass the ID as of now. So what is the ID? So this is the ID, right? So we'll copy this. So we'll pass the ID here. Or either you can pass the ID to whatever the ID name you have to give. Activate it. Let's see whether it works or not. So you can pass the ID name. So we have already changed the stage. So let's try to save this. Okay, again it is showing error, but why? So we will refresh this once again. So we have already passed the ID over there. I don't know why it is showing error. It should not show. So fine. So we will need analyst. Yeah, yeah, we did it. So it is not showing error. So see, opportunity history has been created. I can show you to and the classic as well. So in the classic, it will be very clear. So it is in the opportunity practice video. So we'll change it to the prospecting. Save it. So see, you can see. So to get a more clarity, I'll go to the edit layout. I'll edit something. I'll pass the stage here, the record ID stage here, and okay, that's it. So that you will get the clarity in which stage the opportunity is being created. So okay, so now there are two records, need analyst and prospective. So I'll change it again. So prospection analysis. So this is how it is updating. So that's it for today. So we got stuck in the form of ID. So I'll show you where we got stuck. So here we got stuck. So ID is not passing. So I pass the ID here, but you can pass the value as well. So you can clone it. So like I'll show you in my real project. So what is the scenario? This is my real project. So I will open it. This is the sandbox. So we have created. This is the real project. Okay. So if you change the stage here, stage. So where is the stage? Okay. So we will change activate active. So in this you will see it is activated. So I'll take you to the lightning version, and in lightning you will see uh, the stage. So this is how the big objects, many fields are there. Process builder. So there are many process builder I have created. So So this is the project that I have already done. I have already delivered. So in this, I have made many process builders and all. So you can see in the single process builder, I have created many. So this is the where I have created our opportunity. So I passed the opportunity ID. You can see. So over there also because of some reason, so ID is not coming because I need to check. So but as of now, you can see opportunity.id. You can see. So it is same the same procedure. So in next video, I'll discuss more about activation. There is in next video there is one button action. Some people are not using that button. So what is the main purpose of that particular button? That I will explain in next video. So yeah, that coding VF videos, trigger videos are already ready. So within a week, we are going to update within a Saturday, Sunday. This week, so we'll update 20 videos, and next week we'll upload 20-25 videos more, because there are 55 videos of coding, and for triggers especially, we are going to upload 5 videos. So that is very important. So as of now, this is very important thing, that in real project how we work. So you have seen many fields, right? So there are many projects going on, so small things are very important. So I'll create one more section, a playlist in my YouTube, so that you will get to know how the real project works. So I'll show you some concepts, some small topics, so that during the admin part, because admin part is very important, more than a like coding part it is important, because like within a time you can understand the coding, but admin part is very important, because in the initial stage they test you on the admin basis. So to learn this is very important. So this is what today it is. So in next video we'll go further. Thank you for your time. Share, subscribe, and like my video.